Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my July update to the Deco Panning Project Pan. So if you want to see my almost full refresh, then let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, if you have not been following along with this project, it was created by Emily and Max, and they will be listed as well as anything pertinent in the description box down below. This is where you use a deck of cards to pick your prompts from a board that Emily changes up every month. This goes from January 20th to December 20th of this year. You were to start with 5 prompts, and it is rolling style from there on out. The Google Doc for that is listed down below. The face cards stay the same all year long, and the game board gets shuffled monthly by Emily. So we will get into that more once we go through my progress. So, what has been in here? Oh, I need to get out the highlighter of justice. We had, for the 8 of Hearts, that has a pan, which I will show you a photo, because I did repress this. Oh. Got some things falling out here. Oh, I am losing it. I don't have a makeup wipe out. I do that like every time. That's my bad. But this was the Natasha Denona Berry Pop Cheek Trio. And I was specifically working on the highlighter, but I think I used the blush, literally, at least one of the blushes, every single time. So here's a photo what it looked like when I hit my 8 use goal, which I used it 4 times in July to hit my goal on the 9th. But this is what it looks like now, after I repressed it. So, there's not much left in here. Hopefully the weight difference will show something pretty nice. I'm excited to be able to throw this back in my drawer so that I can go back to working on this highlighter, because I know, this year I could get that highlighter finished, and that would be really nice, honestly. So, there we go. That is a goal met. Then, the only thing that is not a rollout this month, we had the King of Hearts, and that is no pan left behind. So I rolled in my Unearthly Spaced Out palette. And this is an 8-pan palette that looks like this. This is actually on my eyes today with a bunch of other things. But I have these 2 shades on my eyes. And I've used this palette twice. So I've used those 2 shades, and I've used the blue matte and this like charcoal brown, like coffee brown matte. So I just need to use this matte and then the other 3 shimmers. So this should be a rollout for next month, no problem, but it is not a rollout today, and that's okay. Then we had the 7 of Diamonds, and that was for Copycat. So I brought in to Copycat K from Makeup Lens. She is panning, well, she is trying to finish in her finish project, a Tarte blush. So I brought in my Tarte blush in the shade Sensual. It's the only full-size Tarte blush that I have. And I have 7 uses, so I used it 4 times in July. And on the 11th of July, I hit my 7th use. I really enjoy this blush. It's a beautiful nude. It looks great every time I wear it. It's just a really nice blush. But seeing how long it's taking Kay to do anything with it, I'm going to have that blush my whole life. And I have 4 other Amazonian clay blushes, the little minis from the holiday set. So, you know, blush for life. Next, we had the 6 of Hearts, which was Mocha Mousse. I spoke that into existence last month. So I brought in this Nude Sticks crayon, and it is in the shade Greystone, which looks like this. And I used it 3 times in July to meet my goal on the 8th. I tried to use it as a blush once. This is too dry. This is their matte formula, so it's just too dry to use as a blush. The color itself is beautiful, but I just didn't enjoy it. But as a lip, it is pretty. It is dry. I feel like I have to add something on top of this every time I wear it because it's just so dry. But the color is beautiful. But yeah, got my 6 uses. Happy to have it. And last but not least, we had the Ace of Clubs, and that was for Baby Goal. So I brought in my Kokie eyeliner in the shade Electra, which I no longer have. I did declutter that. I used it twice in July. I had a 5-use goal. I met 3 out of those 5 uses, and on the 9th of July, I decided to declutter it. It just didn't work that great in the waterline. As pretty as that eyeliner was, shimmery eyeliners just do not work for me, and I need to remember that. The only shimmery, I need foiled eyeliners work. Shimmery eyeliners do not. So, that's a me bad. I should have known that. But we have 4 items rolling out, so we will have 4 items rolling in. Let me grab my Star Wars cards, and while I grab my cards, we can talk about the game board. So first, I will throw up photos. Well, first, here, let me show you, where's my Joker? Because there's always a Joker with the face cards. Like I said, they stay the same all year round. And the Joker is, once I find it, for Are You Joking Me, it's something, there is my Joker, just so you know that it is in here, and we will be shuffling it in. You're supposed to play with 1 Joker. Some people play with both. Some people don't play with any. You know, things happen. But, it's for something that you really don't want to pan, but do not hate pan anything. So it could be something you save for a special occasion, something that is discontinued, so you don't want to pan it, things like that. And then, I haven't even looked at the game board yet, but I will say, I want Match's nails. I think these press-ons are beautiful, and I want Match's nails so bad. I know it's somewhere on the board, and I want it. But other than that, haven't looked at the board. You guys are looking at the board before me. But this gets shuffled every month. I stalk the Google Doc around the 10th, because it's supposed to be updated like right around the 10th. And every day from the 10th on, I'm just like, is it updated yet so I can film it? Is it updated? Because I get so excited. But, yeah. So, one more shuffle, and then I have to pull up the game board myself. So I know what we're looking at. But yeah, that's the only thing I know that I want, is I want Match's nails. These press-ons are the cutest. So I just pull from the top, but we will cut the deck in half. And the top 4 cards are the cards that I will be choosing from. So we have the 9 of Spades, and that's a Phantom, so an elephant guy. So the 9 of Spades is Match's shirt, so a black item. Cool. 9 of Spades. Match's shirt. So, black. Cool. So, whatever I pick will have a 9-use goal, because I always go by what the card is. Next card. We got the 3 of Hearts, and that's General Veers. He looks interesting. The 3 of Hearts. It's SPF. I mean, 3 uses isn't anything, but I already know which SPF I'm bringing in, so it's fine. Next we got the 10 of Spades, and that's Rancor. This guy. So, 10 of Spades, which that is Duo or Multichrome. Okay. At least that's fun. And last, but certainly not least, oh, and then that'll have a 10-use goal. We got, what's Match's nails before I look at this card? The 5 of Clubs. Gosh dang it. Didn't get it. I got the King of Clubs, which is Django Fett. So I have to go look at what the face cards are again, because I do not remember. Come on. Show me. What are the face cards? Okay, the King of Spades, or Clubs, excuse me. Focus. Okay. I'm gonna go pick those items, and I will be right back. Alright, that took me a second, but we got there. So, for the 9 of Spades, and that was Match's shirt. The shirt is just solid black. So I'm gonna go with, I just got this mascara. You guys will see the haul soon. This is from YSL. It is their Lash Clash. So I'm gonna use this 9 times. Just to show you, here's what the wand looks like. So that one will be a nice, easy goal met for the next update. Then for the 3 of Hearts, that's SPF. This is upside down because it's almost gone. Maybe the 3 uses will get this gone. But this is the Elizabeth Arden Hydro Play 8-Hour Daily Defense Nourishing Fluid Broad Spectrum SPF 40 Sunscreen. So 3 uses on this guy. Then for the 10 of Spades, that's Duo or Multichrome, I am bringing in this Delancey highlighter. It's in the shade 02 Diamond. And it shifts purple. So it's like a blue to purple shift. So I have a 10 use goal on this guy. And last but certainly not least, we had the King of Clubs, and that was a focus item, which I don't have a lot of things that I'm just like trying to focus on, but I do have this eyeliner. This is from love+craft+beauty. It's in the shade Stripped. It was the next eyeliner that I'm trying to finish. This is what it currently looks like. Let me get that straight there. And I'm going to do this for 10 uses. I've decided that all face cards are 10 uses. So that should be no problem as well. Everything should be a rollout next month except maybe the highlighter. And maybe not the palette if I'm slacking. So that is going to do it for my July update. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you in the next one.